developers. In this video we will learn about the reduce method. So reduce method is used to execute a reducer function on each element of the array and it will result in a single output value. So reducer method is used to reduce an array to a single value. Okay, suppose we have a array having some elements, so the output will be single value if we apply reduce method to that array. Okay, so it is ideal for summing numbers or calculating products, etc. So there are many use cases for reduce method, and its syntax is array.reduce accumulator current value, and we need to provide the initial value also. Okay, so accumulator holds the accumulated result of each iteration. Okay, and the current item comes in the current value. So the current item being processed in the array will come in the current value. Okay, and initial value, it is optional. So the initial value of the accumulator, if we provide 0 here, it will go into accumulator. If we do not provide the initial value, so then accumulator will take the first element of the array. Okay, that means if no initial value is supplied, the first element in the array will be used as the initial accumulator value, and callback will not execute on the first element. So let's discuss this with basic example. Let's take an example to reduce sum of all the numbers. Okay, we will use reduce method to sum all the numbers in an array. Reduce to sum all the numbers in an array. Okay, let's say we have an array of numbers equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and we want to sum of all the elements of the array. So sum will be the single digit, so we will use reduce method, so that output will be in the single output value. Okay, and const sum is equals to, we are going to use reduce method on numbers array. So numbers dot reduce, okay, accumulator, this one, okay, comma current value, and it will return accumulator plus current value. Current value. Okay, and initial value will be 0. Okay, so what will we do? The reduce method starts with an accumulator initialized to 0. So the initial value of accumulator will be 0. Okay, so for each item in the array, it adds the current value to the accumulator. So now 0 will be added to the current value. So 1 will be supplied to current value, then it will get 1. Okay, then 2 will be there. So 1 plus 2, it will be 3. Okay, then 3 plus 3, it will be 6. Then 4 will come into the current value. Then 6 plus 4, 10. Then 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. So after going through all items, accumulator holds the total sum, which is 15. Whatever the sum will be, it will get stored in the accumulator. Like firstly, accumulator will be 0. Then and current value is 1. So the output is 1. Then 1 will be stored in accumulator. Then current value will be 2. Then it is returning 1 plus 2, 3. So this is how 15 will be calculated as the total sum. So the use cases is that it is perfect for calculating totals like summing or prices in the shopping cart, and calculating averages or finding minimum or maximum numbers. Okay, so this is the concept of reduce method in JavaScript, and we will run this in the terminal also. Okay, we need to do console.log sum. Okay, so the output is 15. So this is the reduce method in JavaScript.